What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing great today. As you can see right here, I'm going to be putting 4.6 badges on my Mustang. I'm taking off the stock GT ones that I have plasti dipped right now. And I'm going with these 4.6 ones. So all you're going to need to do this is a hairdryer or a heat gun and some fishing line. So I was having trouble getting just past here, get all that glue off, and I noticed when I pull it back, I don't know if you can see, but it does have a little pin that keeps it in there. So I'll have to go from the other side. So once you get the badge off, you want to get all that glue off, which I did. Some of it just won't come off like right there, and you can kind of see an outline. I guess if you use Goo Gone you can get it off, but I don't have any. And I'm kind of in a time crunch, so I just used a wet towel, scrubbed it, heated it up with the hair dryer, scrubbed it some more. I'm going to work on a little bit more, then all you're going to want to do, peel the back of this off, stick it on how you want. And since this has holes in the fender now, I'm going to have to move the badge a little bit back to cover it, since this one doesn't come with any plugs. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side now, and then I'll show you guys what they look like.